How to install Visual Studio 2019. The first thing you want to do is go to visualstudio.com/downloads. Once the page loads, you can download the community, professional, or enterprise versions. Let's download the community version. While this is downloading, let's talk a little bit about each of the versions. The community version that we are downloading is free. Both the professional and enterprise versions have a cost associated with them. The paid versions include additional testing tools and various other features that large-scale enterprises may want to use. When you are just getting started, the community version should provide more than enough features for any project you plan on working on. Once the community version has finished downloading, click on Run, and then click Continue on the installer. The installing process has been sped up to save time. Next, we are presented with a variety of components to download. I'll select the most common ones and the ones we will use in this course. You can always add or remove these later. Notice in the bottom right corner of the installer that this is a rather large download, about 25 gigabytes. Once you have selected all that you want, click the Install button. Once again, the install progress has been sped up. Click the Launch button, or you can open the Visual Studio application. On the Welcome page, you have the options to sign in or create an account. For this demo, we will click the Not Now Maybe Later option. Then we can select the application theme. I'll select the dark theme. Click the Start Visual Studio button. It will take Visual Studio a moment to set up the first time you use it. Finally, we have the new Visual Studio 2019 launch screen. You can easily view recent projects, download from a repository, open a local project, or create a new project. In this course, I recommend creating a new project and starting with a console app. Good luck!